What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can succeed in affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is really easy, and the concept of it is very simple and straightforward. But a lot of affiliate marketers do not see consistent success, okay, or consistent goals and consistent sales in their business, right? Even though it's so easy, a lot of people are missing one key point that can make it even more simpler and get you even more results faster and be more sustainable. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you just one strategy that can help you to catapult your business to see good results. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, like step by step on what you should do and on the strategies that you should implement, there's a link below, the first link in the description. That is a free PDF that shows you step by step how to implement these strategies and how to be successful in affiliate marketing. Okay, so make sure you grab that, check that link out, and grab your PDF report. It costs you nothing, but also make sure you watch this whole video till the end, because I'm showing some good, valuable content to share with you what you should be doing. Okay, so let's get right into it. So usually, what affiliate marketers will do is, let's say they find an offer on ClickBank or whatever is JVZoo or whatever affiliate marketing network they have. Forgive my handwriting here. I'm very terrible at sketchpads on computers. Okay, drawer, but on sketchpad, no. Let's say they have their offer already, right? And they place their ad. Say they have their ad on Google. All right, you guys get the point, right? That's their ad. Google gets a lot of traffic, #1 traffic source on the internet, right? So of course it makes sense to place a paid advertisement on Google to your offer, right? So what some marketers will do is they'll place their ad, and then once their traffic sees their ad, they send them directly to, this square is a little bit better, to the offer. Okay, let's say this is ClickBank, directly to the ClickBank offer. A ClickBank on this Organifi or how to make money online or cryptocurrency, whatever they're on some ClickBank marketplace, they send them directly to that sales offer, right? But let me tell you something. Only out of 100 people, let's say 100 people click on your ad. Guess how many people out of that 100 might even pull out their credit card and buy the offer, right? Maybe one. One person out of 100 will probably purchase this offer, and you only make one sale. That is the #1 way to discourage you and to basically say, all right, call it quits. This affiliate marketing is a scam, or this, that, and the other. And all of a sudden you're just done, right? So one strategy that can help you with your affiliate marketing business and get more results is you have the ad, right? The ad is fine. You got your offer on ClickBank or wherever you did, and you still have the ad, right? Of course, make sure your ads are really good. Make sure they're eye-catching and straightforward and to the point, right? And then let's say, here we go, we have the offer again. Let me move my screen. You have the offer again, okay? Oops, this is bad, but you get the point. So everything we have is the same, right? But the #1 trick that will help you catapult your business, I mean, keep in mind, you still have like 1 out of 100. You might get 2, might get 3 sales, but you have to be very lucky. And if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing and make money online, you cannot rely on luck. You have to rely on your skill sets and your strategies, okay? You want to know how much money you're bringing in, how much leads you're bringing in, okay? So instead of just sending them straight to the offer, you want to send them to something that is called a capture page or opt-in page or squeeze page. They're all the same thing, right? So this is basically a page where your traffic, instead of going straight to your sales page, they go here to the squeeze page. Let's call this the SP, the squeeze page. And in the squeeze page, let me draw it down here so it'd be better. In the squeeze page, what happens is once the traffic sees this, and then you'll have like a box here that says email. So they enter their email here, or their name there in another box with their email, right? But on the squeeze page, you want to give them some kind of free value. There's tons of value out there that you can give, like a free affiliate marketing video. You can make a video like I'm making right now, teaching people how to implement this one strategy to catapult their sales. You can do that. And then what happens is once they basically put in their name, their email, they'll be directed to their free video or their free PDF report or some free valuable content that helps them get closer to the goals that they want to see or reach in their business, right? And then when you do that, they click enter, right? They get that free value, and then they go to the sales page. But one thing that you get that you don't get here in this top strategy, you get the email and their name, right? And once they click enter, on your opt-in page or your funnel, opt-in page, funnel, squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. You go to your autoresponder. Now, email autoresponder is like Aweber or GetResponse or Contra. There's a lot out there. I use Aweber right now. Aweber and GetResponse are pretty good. What happens is once your traffic hits that, fills in their email and fills in their name and hits submit and get their free report, their email and their name instantly goes to your autoresponder. Like for me, it'll be Aweber. So I have their email, I have their name, and so instead of me just sending them straight to the offer and hoping they get a sale, no, I send them to my capture page where I get their email and their information, and then they go to the sales page. So it doesn't matter if they convert here on this offer or not. I still have their information, so that later on down the line I can use email marketing. So I can email them free valuable content, some more PDF reports, some more videos that gives them value and offers them some kind of some gold nuggets or whatever to help them in their business. And then after a while, after I built that trust through email marketing, then I'll give them another offer. Hey guys, I have this other offer that's helped me. How about you try this out? Since you've built that relationship, since you got this through the squeeze page and funnel, since you've already gotten their trust, and you build a relationship, then they're more likely to buy that offer. And then before you know it, this 1 out of 100 might turn into 10 out of 100 or 110 out of 100, right? Once you develop that trust and you give them good value and then bam, offer, that builds the trust, and then they're more likely to buy the product that you have on ClickBank or buy the other product that you have from JVZoo or wherever you're promoting, right? So instead of your conversion rate being a, what is this, 0.01%, it'll be like, well, it won't be 110. It'll be like maybe 200 out of 110 out of 200. Maybe it'll be like a 4% or 10% conversion, right? So you go from a 1% conversion to a 10% conversion. Guys, that boosts your sales up tremendously. And then here you also, when you spend money on ads like Google, you're spending tons and tons of money. You're just throwing money at ads and throwing money at ads, hoping something sticks or that the traffic buys the offer with a low conversion rate. But with here, you spend maybe $10. You spend $10. They sign up for your offer, which is even higher because you're giving them free content. People love free stuff. So well, not always, but most likely, they will give you your information, put in their email and put in their name for that free content. And then guess what? You spend the same amount of money, but you have their email and their information. And if they go to the offer or not, that's fine. But you have their email and their information. Then once you have that, then you can go back into email marketing and you don't have to spend a dime because you've already collected that lead with that same amount of money you pay for the ad, right? So you pay for the ad and you pay for the ad to get a lead and possibly a sale, right? On the bottom. But on the top, you pay for the ad to possibly get a sale. So it's basically like a win-win with this strategy right here. You do not want to use this strategy, the top strategy. Okay? So make sure you got your ad, you have a ClickBank, you've chosen your offer, a good converting offer, you have your ad on Google, Facebook, or wherever you want, or whatever traffic source you're using. You also want to make sure you use a opt-in page or a squeeze page. I personally use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a way where you can easily build a funnel. And let it load here. You can easily build a funnel, and it captures that lead, captures the name, captures the email, and then it goes to that offer, right? It's an awesome way. The link is in the description if you want to check that out with ClickFunnels, as well as Aweber and GetResponse, guys. So that was just a little tidbit to help you out on your affiliate marketing business. Go ahead and implement this strategy right now. I'm telling you, if you don't implement it, you're losing money. You're leaving money on the dashboard or on the table and just forgetting it. Do not do that. Okay. So go ahead and get a funnel and get an autoresponder, email autoresponder, because it'll save you money and make you more money in the long run, right? In the back end. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life of freedom, fulfillment, and passion. Okay, guys. So again, check out the links in the description. The #1 link is a free PDF guide on how you can start with affiliate marketing in 2 days, step by step, which shows you all of these strategies that I just told you about, or this one strategy that I just told you about, and more. Okay, so check that out too. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.